It is time to improve communication and employee morale at Sports Clips. My name is Jennifer Brom, and I am here to talk to you about conflict and communication in the workplace. The success of any company relies on the ability to communicate well. Communication allows the staff and management to support each other, make decisions, share opinions, and work together in a productive environment. For Sports Clips to be successful, changes in communication will start from the top. Management will start making times for their employee, considering their thoughts and opinions. In addition, some form of a reward program will be offered for employees to be recognized for their hard work. According to managementhelp.org, they state rewards should be tied to passion and purpose, not to fear and pressure. Sports Clips is a hair salon which specializes in men's haircut. There have been some issues that have been brought to the attention of management over the recent months that have caused the CEO, Tara King, to evaluate their staff and bring in some outside agency known as Effective Communication Industries to evaluate these issues and provide some feedback on how they can be improved. Some of these issues that have been brought to the attention are lack of productivity and employee engagement, the fears of staff communicating their concerns and their wish list items to their management, and the lack of a reward program that is offered to the staff for their hard work. As a result, you have an unmotivated and unengaged staff. As the ECI rep has been evaluating the staff, there are some concerns that have been brought to her attention. Two of the major concerns that she has witnessed are she has not had an opportunity to meet with the staff firsthand to listen to their concerns and have them be communicated with her. And she also fears that the staff is not able to communicate their fears with management. So what will the action plan be after the ECI rep meets with the staff? So from this, some action plan items have come to play. Tara King, the CEO of Sports Clips, will schedule regular meetings with the staff. Reward programs will be put into place to recognize the hardworking staff. Although these regularly scheduled meetings will be often at first, once these issues have been settled, these meetings can dwindle down and not be as often as necessary, and then be scheduled whenever needed. Smallbusiness.cron.com provides a tip stating how often schedule staff meetings depends on your purpose, but having a regular meeting on the books is helpful for planning purposes. Small groups may be able to meet weekly and accomplish a group deal. Large groups may be better served by meeting each quarter. In addition, there will be private meetings held with staff that does not improve their performance. These meetings can be held to create an individual plan for this staff to set the goals and determine what those plans will be if these goals are not met. EmployeeChannelLine.com states a communication strategy will fall short if corporate commitment falls short. A success always starts at the top. The C-suite managers and HR teams must value honest and open communication with their workforce. An open-door, transparent office culture builds employee trust, respect for the organization's mission and leaders, and ultimately, employee satisfaction at work. Putting this action plan into place will help the staff become more engaged, more happy, and more productive at work. In conclusion, it is important for the staff to feel comfortable enough to communicate their issues and concerns with their management staff. It is important for them to feel they are being rewarded enough for the success that they contribute to the company. Communication works both ways for staff and the management, which is key for the success of the company. It is important for the employees to know that they can speak to their management and executive staff for any of the concerns that they are having. It is also important to reward the employees for their productivity. Staff should be fully engaged because they want to be, not because they are feared into it. A company shouldn't enforce fear on their staff to make them meet their productivity goals. The easiest way for a company to be successful is for their staff to be happy.